It's now day 5 on the trail. Yesterday was actually one of the hardest days. It was actually the longest day. We didn't have a lot of mountains, but it was still, I guess, mentally exhausting. But yeah, here's to hoping today's a little bit better. Nice little town square. It looks like cliffs up there, but I can't really be too sure. Keep following the signs. I'm giving my feet a little breather. I think they need a little rest from the runners I've been wearing for the past 5 days. Actually, I've been wearing them longer, but it's just quite freeing for them right now. See the guy behind me on the donkey? He just looked at my shoes and gave me a thumbs up. There's a steady stream of people behind me. just walked 2 kilometers in thongs, and actually it was a really good thing. My feet feel so much better right now. They just feel a little bit more airy, and I just feel a bit steadier on my feet as well. So I don't know if there's something in that or not, but I feel good. That's the top of the hill for the stage. So now it's straight downhill to Estella. I'm very thankful. I know I said it before, it is so easy to get lost if you're not following the signs. You just gotta keep looking for them because they're on the side of the buildings, or they're on the ground, or they're propped up. You just gotta stay super vigilant, or just check your app. It has a little GPS, so it shows you which way you need to walk, which has actually been really helpful when I've gotten lost or made a wrong turn. See? Tiny little arrow. You just gotta look for them. Back on the path. Almost there. I can actually see people ahead of me, so I know I'm going the right way. It looks like the Downton Abbey of Spain. Oh yay, there's more horses ahead. Hey. Hi. Hello, darling. Hi.